Whether you're buying a brand new car or looking to buy a used one, everyone wants to know that they're getting a good deal. But what is a good deal? Is it the cheapest car? No. Is it the most reliable car? Not necessarily. It depends on your priorities. And for many of us, our priority is to keep our running costs low. We all lead busy lives, and taking our cars to the mechanic is not something we want to be doing all the time. So with that in mind, we've compiled a list of the top 5 cars with the cheapest maintenance costs. We made this list by taking the average repair costs for each model and then ranking them from least to most expensive. And to get this data, we used a proprietary tool that analyzes millions of repair records to give you the most accurate estimation of what it will cost you to own and maintain a particular vehicle. All figures are estimates and will vary depending on driving conditions, location, and individual vehicle history. With that said, here are the top 5 cars with the cheapest maintenance costs. Number 5, Kia Rio. If you're looking for a super affordable car to run, then the Kia Rio should definitely be on your radar. This South Korean super mini is known for its reliability and low running costs. On average, you can expect to pay just $194 per year for maintenance. That means that LL only costs you about $16 per month to keep your Rio in tip-top shape. It's also worth noting that the Rio has a reputation for being very fuel efficient, which can save you even more money in the long run. When it comes to finding an affordable car that won't break the bank to maintain, the Kia Rio is a great option. Number 4, Toyota Corolla. If you're seeking a fuel-efficient and cost-effective car, look no further than the Toyota Corolla. This compact sedan has been a popular choice among car buyers for years, and it's easy to see why. With an average annual maintenance cost of $186, you can be sure that you're getting a car that is both reliable and affordable to maintain. The Corolla has a reputation for being one of the most reliable cars on the road, and its fuel efficiency is top-notch. You will be able to drive around town without feeling like you redraining your gas tank in no time. Number 3, Hyundai Accent. The Hyundai Accent is a subcompact car that has been designed to appeal to budget-conscious consumers who want a reliable and fuel-efficient vehicle without sacrificing too much in terms of style or comfort. With an average annual maintenance cost of $185, it's easy to see why the Accent is such a popular choice for those looking to save money on their car expenses. One of the best things about the Hyundai Accent is its affordability. It's a great option for first-time car buyers or anyone looking to save money on their monthly car payments. Additionally, the car's fuel efficiency means that you'll spend less money on gas and maintenance, making it an even more attractive option for budget-minded drivers. Number 2, Honda Fit. If you're in the market for a car that offers a lot of value for your money, then the Honda Fit should be at the top of your list. With an average annual maintenance cost of $162, this subcompact car is known for its reliability, affordability, and practicality, making it a great choice for anyone looking to save money on maintenance costs. The Honda Fit is a highly versatile car that can be adapted to suit a variety of needs. Whether you're a student, young professional, or anyone in between, this car can accommodate you. It's also important to note that the Honda Fit has a reputation for being one of the most reliable cars on the road. This means that you can drive with peace of mind knowing that your car is less likely to break down and require costly repairs. Number 1, Toyota Prius. If you're looking to make the most of your money, then the Toyota Prius is the car for you. With an average annual maintenance cost of just $158, this hybrid car is known for its fuel efficiency and reliability, making it a great choice for budget-conscious drivers. The Toyota Prius is a car that truly stands out. It's not only the most fuel-efficient car on the market, but it's also one of the most affordable to maintain. As a Prius owner, you'll be able to drive around town without worrying about frequent trips to the gas station or mechanic. If you want to learn more about these vehicles or others, be sure to check out our detailed car reviews and car buying guides. We have everything you need to make an informed decision when purchasing a new car. Thanks for watching.